Good day, out. TurboDave here, Performance Corner. So we're getting our diff back in actually temporarily. We got the brace welded up. We got to weld it to the chassis and over there. So we got the bar in. We welded up the plates, all three plates on it. We got to steel it black. Then we're gonna clean up the frame and the plates and weld it on both sides. We'll take the diff back out after that, and then we're going to see if you can get it. Weld all the seams, and including up here, because in one of the other videos I talked about it. This is where the base of the floorboard, the unibody, and this is kind of like a subframe that was tack welded in. This is where the pivot points go. But it was originally, just a two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive vehicle. So this was the fuel tank hanger is for the mount. But we're gonna weld it all up, just so that way it's attached stronger to the unibody than just the way it is. Even though we have a significant brace here that's well bolted in and bolted up into the floorboard, as we showed. Just for extra precaution, for all the torquing and everything, the last thing I want to do is tear this. And obviously if we don't weld it and it tears, it could still tear if we weld it, if it really put that much stress on it. But welding it more stitch welding it will distribute the pressure more when it torques and stuff. So that's all we want to do to it. But right now we got it in temporarily. As I said, we'll get it all welded up and we'll go from there. Just an update on our all-wheel drive, and we're waiting for the control arm, the trailing arms and the lower control arm to come in. It's probably going to be a few weeks. That's just the way it is. But at least we can get the diff in. We'll get all this. We still got a lot of work to do on this, so we'll get it all up, and then we're gonna get it painted too. We're gonna clean it up as much as possible, and then clean it and paint it after it's welded. And we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. This is TurboDave here at Performance Corner. Stay safe. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.